Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the notifications, ringtone and alarm sections. You can change them here. Also got here the media, ringtone and alarm volume panels. You can change the just the volume of this of the media, ringtone and alarms. Here also we got the sound assistant. We can just turn on or turn off the switchers to adjust media sound in multiple apps, or also to turn on or turn off the multiple audio sources. Here we got the silent mode section. We can turn on or turn off the silent mode and silence media in silent mode. To silence media in silent mode by click once on each of switchers. Also we can here set the don't disturb mode and all of the just settings here. And we got here also the vibration while ringing in silent mode, or also we can change it to medium, strong, light, or just to off the vibration on top. And here we got also the additional settings. We can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click once on the switcher. As can you see, that's really simple. And here we got some functions just to turn on or turn off the dial buttons, the tap sounds, the play sounds when the device will lock. Also the play sounds where it will take the screenshot when it will uninstall in the applications, deleting items, the charger, while the charging just sound, and the start up sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.